Here we are, about to see Elephant Rocks and Green Pool. Got our daughter Ella with us today, and this is what we're looking forward to. Yeah, alright, we'll go this way. Green's Pool that way, Elephant Rock this way. So this is the look out of Elephant Rocks. Oh wow, check this out. What an awesome place. You can see they look like grey elephants. Green's Pool. So it's Elephant Rocks to the left and Green Pool to the right once we get down the bottom. A little bit of a lookout happening here. Down.
This one?
Yep. place is usually packed by about lunchtime. We're here at about 9 o'clock, so it's a little bit quieter. It's supposed to be 30 degrees today. So it's going to be very busy. Fantastic how the rock goes all the way down to the water. As you can see, it's very popular. Well, legends, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Elephant Rocks and Greens Pool is a fantastic place to spend time for a swim or just to take it all in and relax. It is always busy here, so it's best to get there early when it's great weather, like it was this day. Also, I would like to just say a special thanks to Ella for flying down from the NT to see us in our new backyard. It was great to see you go for a swim and brave the cold water. Also, if any of you have swum here, let us know in the comments if you like the cold water. Also, if you like the video, don't forget to like by hitting the thumbs up. Anyway, take care and we would love to see you next time.
It doesn't have the ocean in the background.
That's right.